My undergraduate degrees are in biology. My postgraduate degrees are in human biology and neuroscience. But for 20 years, I worked for the insurance industry in a specialized area of life insurance. And if we got 5 years of medical records on you and 5 years of demographic data, and we could tell the insurance company how long you had to live to the month. And it is some of the most accurate science in the world. In fact, the new variable basic tables on mortality are based on a lot of the research that came from this industry. And when we talk about predicting mortality to the month, remember that life insurance companies have some of the most voluminous databases in the world, hundreds of millions of lives, and they have information that no other database has. I mean, if you look at the medical community and research foundations and universities and even the CDC and the FDA, the information that insurance companies have that nobody else has as voluminous is they know the day, the date, the time, the location, and the cause of death for anybody that they have insured, right? On life insurance. And not only do they know the day, date, time, location, and cause of death, but they also know all of the medications that person was on. They know their family history. They know their demographic data. They know their financial history. They have intimate knowledge of their medical records. And in fact, usually before the policy was issued, they even did their own blood testing. So they didn't just put that person on a mortality curve, like an actuarial curve. They were able to drill in on their specific mortality because they know liver enzymes and kidney poison levels and this level of anemia at this age and this history of smoking and this genetic predisposition, that all of these conditions, which are called mortality factors, put into the same body, combined with something called comorbidity factors, led to this causality of death. And if you add this pharmaceutical, it accelerates. If you add this pharmaceutical, it elongates. And so that data of knowing the date of expiration, if you will, on so many lives and triangulating that back into the medical record is how you become so accurate with your predictions.